I'm here in Hinulugang Taktak in Antipolo City. And today, I discovered a hidden restaurant not far away from here which offers a distinctive Swiss taste. So tara, samahan niyo ako at explore natin ang Vieux Chalet Swiss Inn and Resto. Tuki ka! Vieux Chalet is located along Taktak Road in Antipolo City. Operating hours are generally from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. However, they sometimes have private events that may affect their normal schedule. Best to confirm their current schedule by contacting them directly. Inside the restaurant, you will feel relaxed because of the coziness of the place. It's like you're inside a home. The decorations, the tables and chairs, the hallways, the comfort room, very relaxing. They also offer some cooking workshops for kids to teens and for those who would love to understand the science behind the food instead of just following the recipe. Parang I'm interested to join one of their cooking workshops. Sabi nga nila, anyone can cook, but only the fearless can be great. And no one can become a great artist, but a great artist can come from anywhere. Ratatouille, is that you? Look at the view, only at Vieux Chalet. So let us look at their menu. They have different flavors of pizza, salami Italiano, Della Casa, 7 Cheese, Florentine. They also have a variety of set menu to choose from. Sa totoo lang, kahit ako, nalilito. Hindi ko alam kung alin dito ang pipiliin naming orderin. Well, we decided to choose what we want to eat from the a la carte menu instead. But when we told them what we want from the menu, they recommended a set that will match our choices. O, di ba? But since we wanted to taste some more from the menu, you can order for some more. Sabi nga, surprise me! For starters, they gave us a special drink, the Mango Basil. Honestly, nalilito pa kami kung ano itong drink na sinerve sa amin.
Nalasahan ko yung basil. May basil nga siya.
Minty yan.
Ang sarap. Refreshing. Maubos ko na ito. Ang sarap. Ano ulit?
Mango, basil, bullet chew. Bullet chew.
Ano nga po pala itong drink na ito?
Si mango basil.
Mango basil. Masarap yung effect ng basil.
Yun nga.
Refreshing. Ano po yan?
Italian soup. This is mix of organic pumpkin and organic potato.
Oh. Wow.
May presentation pa talaga ang kanilang soup of the day. Chibugan time na tayo!
Pero sing-sing oh.
Laki.
Ano eh? Pinanindigan nilagay nga dito. Hindi ko kaya panindigan.
May gawin silang fried. I mean, control.
Baka hindi naman. Baka
Ego.
Hindi, kasi dalawa yun. Pinapatulan sila. So baka may attraction.
Ang sarap ng aroma niya. Tapos meron siyang parang crunchiness. Ano yung parang malutong-lutong?
Pasta.
Ano po itong parang malutong-lutong?
Crispy noodles.
Ayun.
Pero actually, it's a fettuccine noodles. Gawa kasi namin dito yung fettuccine. Ayun. Ayun na dito.
Sariling ko.
Pero ang sarap.
Cheese.
Ang
May
sarap.
ham din.
Ang sarap ng yung crispy noodles, kakaiba.
Ito mga siguro yung buhay ng Swiss dito. Kasi ang ganda ng view niya.
Guys, ang yummy ng soup nila. Lasang bitin.
Ganda.
All the way up. Down.
Ayan yung salad.
Yes.
Ito na ang kanilang salad of the day. May nakikita kong mango, tomato, sprout, shrimp, olives, at marami pang iba.
Kakaiba yung salad nila. Meron din sa mango. So baka tumaas yung sugar dito. Pipino. Tomato. May shrimp. May shrimp pa.
Sarap.
Kahit di ako pa ng olive, kakainin ko.
Just look how sumptuous the Swiss platter is. They have their own homemade pâte de foie or paste of fat liver, homemade spread, dried fruit, homemade cheese, homemade tropical jam, homemade smoked ham, assorted cold cuts, tomato provencal, homemade bread, biscuits, and grapes.
Cheese. Sarap ng sarap ng bread. May butter. Lagay ko sa spread. Parang chicken spread. Sarap to. Parang mustard. Dito ko lalagay. Other side. Ham. I think it was salami. Parang spam. Meron din jam. Anong klaseng jam kaya ito? Parang may essence ng buko na parang merong mango. Ano, may butter. Ano pala? Butter.
Akala ko cheese.
Akala ko. Okay.
May hoy pa siya.
Okay. Tapos nakaslice pa ng butter. Paborito talaga butter. Butter lover talaga. Namiss ko yung kanin, grabe. I miss rice a lot. Sobra. Ano kaya? Sausage? Apricot. Sa grapes. Oh, the pizza. This is the 7 cheese pizza. Curious ako ano yung 7 cheese na yun. Pero looks nice. No, it's okay. Pusga namin pizza. Seven cheese. Sardo, ang crunchy ng ang crunchy ng kanyang, ang tawag doon? crunchy ng dough.
Crust pa.
Ano?
Crust ba ito?
Ang crunchy ng crust.
Though, pag naluto,
Re.
may
Mi. Pa. La. Ito. Ang sarap ng 7 cheese talaga.
Don't forget to hydrate with water. And the fettuccine Alfredo. Guys, they make their own noodles here. Ayan. Aber, husga na natin.
Pasta. They make their own noodles. Al dente noodles sila. Sarap. May parang may smoky flavor. And the osobuco. Ayan, nalukay ko siya. Ito yung utak ng osobuco.
that meat, right?
Osobuco. Yung osobuco niya. Bumababa na yung sugar, no? Ito. Ito yung monitor. Ito yung herb rice. Nangrinig na na-excite sa scramble. Ito pinatatakutan ko yung rice. Rice is life. Masasabi ko po ba yun? Hindi na rice is life. Rice is life. Basta rice is life pa din.
Siyempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang coffee after every meal. Together with the dessert of the season, ano-ano na naman kaya mga ito? Talagang surprise. Eto, Shirako chocolate cake with ice cream on top. Eto naman ang blueberry cheesecake with ice cream on the side.
Kasi isip ko wala akong
Sugar is going down. Ice cream yata. Parang coconut.
Biglang nag-depreciate ang pera.
Cheesecake.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for new video updates. Thanks for watching!